guys, welcome to another edition of Budget Wednesdays. I'm your host, Chef Kirk, and I'm in the kitchen once again to show you how to make a great tasting meal with what's inside of our cabinets and inside our refrigerator. So you know the deal, on Budget Wednesdays, we try to save you a little bit of money without going out spending too much money. But stay tuned as we get in these cabinets to see what we can get done for this week episode of Budget Wednesdays. Alright guys, so let's take a look in our cabinets and see exactly what we have this week. Alright, so I have some red lentils. You know what, it's kind of cold down here this week in South Florida. It's kind of like 50 degrees today. So I think I'm doing something a little bit soupy. So I'm not sure I'm going to use pasta, but I do have some flour. So I may make something with that. So I have the red lentils and flour. Let's go over here and see what else we got in the fridge. Alright, I have some peppers. Alright, I have some onions and some other stuff in there. Then I have some carrots. Alright, always makes it fun with the carrots. Alright, and then always trusty celery. Love that celery. What else we have? We have some scallion. Not a lot, but let's see what that can do with. Shucks, we have one tomato, and cilantro. I guess we're gonna see what we can do with that bad boy. Alright, let's take a look at the refrigerator and see if I have anything in there as well. Oh, okay. I have some corn. I have a half bag of peas. Okay. And I have some chickpeas. Alright. So we might got something that we can put together real quick. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so I remember the other day that I made some chicken, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to add it to my ingredients, and I'm going to make a chicken and dumpling soup. So stay tuned, it's going to be fire!
A famous paradise, that's all she was. Every need got an ego to feed. Every need got an ego to feed. Oh, a famous paradise, that's all she was. Whoa, 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 a famous paradise. That's all she was. Well, a famous paradise. I'm sorry for the victim now. Oh, now soon their paradise, soon their very heads will bow. Famous paradise. Don't lose track of yourself. Oh no, famous paradise. Don't be just a stock on the shelf, Oh, famous paradise. That's all she was. Whoa, famous paradise. Be careful. She left the party, have a good time. She looks so hearty, feeling fine. She left the smoke, sometimes shifting cold. She'd be laughing when there ain't no joke. A famous paradise, that's all she was now. A famous paradise, that's all she was. A famous paradise, that's all she was now. Famous paradise, that's all she was. Every need got an ego to feed. Every need got an ego to feed. She loves the model up in the latest fashion. She's in the scramble and she moves with passion. She's getting high That's all she was. Whoa, 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 Pimpers Paradise. That's all she was. Well, Pimpers Paradise. I'm sorry for the victim now. Oh, now soon their paradise. Soon their very heads will bow. Pimpers Paradise. Don't lose track of yourself. Oh no, Pimpers Paradise. Don't be just a stock on the shelf, Oh, Pimpers Paradise. That's all she was. Whoa, whoa, Pimpers Paradise. Be careful. She left the party, have a good time. She looks so hearty, feeling fine. She left to smoke, sometimes shifting coke. She'd be laughing when there ain't no joke. A Pimpers Paradise. That's all she was now. A Pimpers Paradise. That's all she was. A Pimpers Paradise. That's all she was now. Pimpers Paradise. That's all she was.
Every need got an ego to beat. Every need got an ego to feed.
She loves to model up in the latest fashion. She's in the scramble and she moves with passion. She's getting high, trying to fly the sky. Now she is bluesing when there ain't no blues. Whoa, Pimpers Paradise. That's all she was now. A Pimpers Paradise. That's all she was.
All right, guys, so we just finished the chicken and dumpling soup. So let's taste it and see what we did. Oh no, people, this look kind of good. I'm not gonna lie to you. Very good, very good. The flavors are all there. You taste every single thing in this bad boy. The chicken, definitely the dumplings. Oh man, listen. Thank you guys for watching another episode of Budget Wednesday. I can't remember what I'm talking about. Budget Wednesday. Your boy Kirk right now is about to go into this. I'm about to tear this up right quick. Try this recipe. If you did try this recipe, listen to me. If you did try this recipe, definitely tag me, like, comment, review, whatever the case may be. Say you don't like it, you hate it, whatever. Send me a DM, send me a not DM. But I'm telling you, this is the perfect soup on a cold day in South Florida. I can't believe I'm saying cold day in South Florida, but it's cold nonetheless. Thank you guys for watching. Like I said, peace.